Hey guys, real quick tactical protection review on what you just saw happen. Older gentleman or civilian is doing what we're talking about in what we call in protection. He's on the scene, he's going into a transitional space. And one of the main things about living a safer pattern of life is it has so much to do with the way you think and the way you move. A lot less to do with your actual combatives, right? So you can do a lot for yourself by just understanding how to use your environment, understanding what to look for, and understanding how to interact with your environment. As you guys know, I've been in the private security industry since 2008 at the highest levels, protecting people, places, and things in over 70 countries. It's what I do for a living. Before that was the United States Marine Corps. That's it. That's all I've done with my life. War and protect people at the highest levels, right? 1% of the 1%. So these are tactics we're constantly implementing in order to protect, people that you watch on TV and that run massive companies. So listen, when you're moving through your life, 80% of the attacks that happen to people when they're on the scenes in transitional spaces. So that means awareness about when you're in those transitional spaces can help you avoid attacks, right? So when this gentleman's going from outside to inside, what he's effectively doing is he's making himself a more attractive target package. So when he's outside, he's in the public eye, he's about to go inside, and now he's going to walk away from the public and actually put himself in an environment where he's all by himself, which is perfect to attack him. So now all you need to do is be an aggressor who finds a target that's weaker than themselves, that's about to put themselves in a situation where it's just you and them, right? So he's doing half the aggressor's job. The aggressor wants to get you away from the public in the first place in order to launch their attack. You're about to do that for them. So when you're rolling through these transitional spaces, you need to elevate your level of awareness. This means like before you go from your office to your car, you're about to move into a space where you're safe inside your office. And when you transition through the parking lot, you're going to be in a transitional space where people can hide, people can track you, they can get you while you're by your car, which means you'll be a little bit more, siloed away from everyone. So this enemy is in his hostile planning cycle. He's identified that someone's got to go in this building. This building has security, security is only ever as good as the people that are interacting with it. When you've let the batteries on your camera system go, doorbell ring system go down, when you fail to execute on the systems for locking down your house every night, you're going to fail. You're the human. So we implement security strategies that take the human error out of it. But for living a safer pattern of life, it's not that people aren't as smart, but it's just that people don't think this way. And so they make these huge mistakes that make them awesome targets. So when you're about to go into a space where you're going to be concealed away from everyone, put your head up, look around, right? You're going into your secure building. You know that these doors are going to lock behind you, which is going to protect you if no one goes in with you. Look and see who's nearby, right? I know there's this whole conversation about being prejudiced, but if you see a military age male near you and you have some feeling inside of you that's like, don't go into that area where you're going to be concealed away from everyone, right? Just take a lap. If you feel like someone's watching you, walk to the nearest Starbucks or stay in a public environment so that they don't feel comfortable attacking you. And what this guy did was he went straight into that environment, probably didn't even realize anyone was watching him. So real quick, the protocol is when you're in a transitional space, going from one door to another door, whether it's from your front door to your car, or even traveling from work to home or home to work, make sure that you look up, make sure that you're paying attention to what's going on around you. Hey, I'm in a transitional space. Let me just look around real quick and wait to see if there's anyone in their car in the parking lot watching me. If there's anyone waiting by the door of my apartment complex ready to slide inside and attack me. Like, is anyone maintaining tactical positioning to give them an advantage to be able to attack me when I go from this place to that place? It's a really simple principle. You will have to get off your cell phone for 2 seconds, but it could save your life, and it could definitely save you all the trauma from being attacked. Byron, Rodgers, protector by nature and by trade. Come train with us. If you want security services, reach out to me at Bravo Research Group. Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there. and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.